This Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Impact Driver Kit delivers maximum versatility and performance, with an efficient Makita BL Brushless Motor for up to 50% longer run time, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. The kit includes an efficient 18V LXT 30Ah battery which reaches a full charge in only 30 minutes. The fastest charge time in its category. For less downtime and increased productivity, this is engineered for a full range of driving and fastening tasks, including fastening deck screws, tech screws, cabinet screws, tightening down lag bolts, and much more. It is ideal for HVAC, electricians, plumbers, automotive mechanics, woodworkers, remodelers, and any pro contractor who requires a best-in-class cordless impact driver. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. It's part of Makita's expanding 18V lithium-ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is a communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18V LXT and compact lithium-ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. BL Brushless Motor delivers 1,500 Nm of max torque. Number 2. Variable speed 0 to 3,400 RPM and 0 to 3,600 IPM for a wide range of fastening application. Number 3. The BL Brushless Motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Number 4. Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Impact Driver Kit, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.